products represent each individual ingredient used in your operation. It might even be that one particular product might be more than one product in your product list if you needed to keep track of separate lot numbers and more than one lot number was delivered. We're going to add products from setup, and then products again. Oops, sorry about that. We're looking at a list of products that have been created already, and each one is listed with the name, and I've added the product category here. If you right click and choose add remove columns, you can add other pieces of information that you might want to see for that list of your products. And I have the abbreviation, the name, product category, and the product type. We're going to add a new product. We're going to add a fertilizer blend. We added the new fertilizer blend product category, and now we're going to add a new product for that. So we can either click new at the bottom, or we could highlight an existing fertilizer and click copy. We're going to use the new button and click new. And we're going to add a product for MAP 11520. Oh, I ran out of spaces. I'm going to take this space out. There we go. And the name is actually going to be the same thing. And the product category will be our fertilizer blend that we created. And then we can enter the manufacturer. I'm just going to make up a name here. And we would put in the manufacturer's product number if we had that. These are optional fields. Manufacturer is optional also. And if there were a lot number, then we might want to do that too. So we can put in the lot number, whatever that would be. Down at the bottom are the product properties, and these are the properties that were assigned to the product category that we selected. So we assigned active ingredient, which was a custom product field that we had created, and we assigned that custom product field to the product category. And this is the list of product properties that we're seeing. So at this point, we could fill in the custom field information, which for the MAP 11520 would be phosphate and nitrogen. And we're ready to click Save. If that's all the information we need to put in, we can click Additional Notes over in the lower right if we wanted additional notes for this particular product. But that would add the information we needed on this product. If there are other pieces of information that we wanted to track on this particular product, we could add more custom product fields, assign that to the product property, and then we would see those additional fields here available to track. We're going to click Save. Edit allows you to edit any one of these products that you have in the list. So we're going to edit one of these and switch it actually to our new category, which was fertilizer blend. And you could change any of the other information in here if you wanted to, and click Save. Delete would delete a product, and if you've used it already, it will come up with a warning and tell you that you can't delete that. Once you have used these products, and the products that you're adding, you're going to be only adding one time. You're going to be using the product detail on your accounts, and your accounts are going to be more generic. You don't need your individual accounts for all the different ingredients. The products are now going to be maintained by this list of products, and this product can be assigned to any one of your accounts. So as your product passes through the different production cycle of going from perhaps a pre-buy account to a raw material to a WIP account to a cost account, this same product is going to follow that flow all the way through. So at the end, when you need to come up with a list of products that was applied to a particular field, you're going to be able to do that because of the list of products. Next year, when your products perhaps change, you didn't want to use a product again this year, or it's outdated, then you can just inactivate it. If we go to the detail again, there is an active box here. Once you don't need that product anymore, then just inactivate it. And then you can also set your filter to only have active equal yes, and your list will then only show the products that are currently active. You can also use combine. Combine would remove a product also. Keep in mind that if you use combine, any history of that product is going to show up in the product that you combined it to. If you just use inactive, history is going to show with the actual product information as it was before, and you also maintain that product properties that you've been tracking on the individual products. And our next videos, we're going to show you how to use product in your transactions. So you'll want to see the video on doing a pre-buy of product.